So does this 2.0 Navjodhan Singh Sidhu, if I can call that, does he have any regrets? And can I call this the 2.0 version who's away from politics, who's kind of living his own life?
No regrets whatsoever in my life. Always learnings, always improvement. You know, you must be big enough to admit your mistakes.
Which you have been.
Smart enough to profit from them. And actually, you know, cunning enough to rectify them. That is improvement. Never justify your faults. We are not perfect. We will make mistakes. Even the sun has spots. No one is perfect. The moment you say perfect, you become stagnant. So it's a journey. It's a journey of unlocking the potential. It's a journey of an introvert to someone who's a believer. It's a journey of someone who dismantled a mountain of doubt with faith that tunneled through it, right?
Sure.
It's a journey where एक फेंट होने वाला प्रीफेक्ट जो स्कूल डिस्पर्स नहीं कह सकता था, ऑरेटर बन गया,
जी,
right? It's a journey of Siddhism. It's a journey of believing to achieve, right?
Yeah.
Dismantling fear of failure, right? Unlocking potentials which, you know, आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि आप में वो कुछ छुपा है. आप कस्तूरी के मृगजला like a musk deer running around the jungle looking for the fragrance which comes through your navel. So आत्मनिर्भर सिद्धू की कहानी है ये, कि जो किसी पे निर्भर नहीं है अब, जो भीतर की ताकत, भीतर आत्मा से संपर्क, आत्मविश्वास जगा के जीता है. आप समझते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल.
कि वो एक प्रेरक प्रसंग है, कि वो सब में है, बस वो पहचान नहीं पाते. मुखौटे इतने हैं चेहरे पे कि खुद को जान नहीं पाते. खुद को जानना, to realize that you have infinite potential that you can unlock within is the biggest blessing of the Lord Almighty.
A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग?
Is there a funny rumor that you heard and
There
is
are
very
so
funny?
many rumors. I give a toss. मुझे मतलब किसी की परवाह नहीं है. मैं किसी को जवाबदेही नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
और मैं ये भी मानता हूँ कि you know, ये कमजोरी है जब आदमी किसी और को नीचे गिराने की कोशिश करता है. Criticism tells me that I'm important. No one kicks a dead dog.
Fair enough.
जिंदगी में पत्थर आम के पेड़ को लगेगा, नीम के पेड़ को कोई पत्थर नहीं मारता.